I'm Jeff Wagner, Product Manager for the Keystone Avalanche Division. Today we're inside the Avalanche 321 RS. It's our most popular model. I'll be pointing out a few of the features and a few of the items that our customers really love about this floor plan. In the living room, which is where I'm standing, you'll notice that it's very expansive and comfortable. It features our Thomas Paine theater seat that comes with 3 different add-on items: heat, light, and massage. It also has 2 reclining seats. In the rear of the RV is an 80-inch hide-a-bed sleeper sofa. So if you have those expanded sleeping needs, it's perfect for those customers. Directly across from the theater seat is our entertainment center. You have a fireplace on the bottom, our DVD player, and our 50-inch TV. It's perfectly located and convenient for the customers in the theater seat or the sofa. As you transition over here to the kitchen, you'll notice that we have a tremendous amount of storage, ample countertop, and beautiful appliances. Every single Avalanche features a big oven, residential-sized microwave, and can be optioned with either a 110 electric refrigerator or an 18 cubic foot RV refrigerator. In the 321, we feature the residential Samsung 18 cube model. In addition to the beautiful appliances in every single Avalanche, we also try to pack them full of storage. As you notice the pantry area over here, it comes complete with a large pantry with lots of storage space. It has an extra countertop that is perfect for a Keurig, a toaster, your appliance area, and you have lots of storage both below and above here in the kitchen. And this is pretty much the kitchen of every single Avalanche. Thanks for taking a minute to learn a little more about the Avalanche 321 RS.